Hi, so this is part that I identified as faulty. There's a miscenter between some of its parts, so basically, yeah, it's gonna be hard for me with one hand, but you can see this silver ring from the farthest one is actually miscenter with the brown one that is a little bit closer. I doubt that it's visible in here, but yeah, well, it is. So basically, since that should hold this part, whenever I install it and tighten that up, well, basically it won't perform as it's supposed to, even though it's, well, it's not the high grade stuff. I still think that some bare minimum should be doable, right? Okay, so let me free my second hand for a minute so I can actually do it properly. Yeah, well, I'm not sure if you will be able to see it. Well, anyway, just give me a second. Pull the spindle out, tighten it up. Okay, so now it's on hold. You can see that this spindle actually goes in a circle, so the tip of it, it's not in one spot. It doesn't drill in a single spot. That's caused by this part being misaligned. So you can barely see it here, but even here it's visible, right? So when I now start the spindle, connect. Yep. Huh, funny how it looks on the phone. Okay. And I start moving it downwards. I hope you can hear me. So it should actually drill not in a single spot. You can already see that it's not a spot. So yes, you can clearly see that it does not drill in a single spot. Ah, come on, camera. Yes. And I would expect that it would. Obviously, with that kind of hardware, I don't expect miracles, but still, this is precision that I would rather have.